The top 5 ways to fail with video sales pages. You probably have seen all sorts of video sales pages on the internet, marketing all sorts of products. They seem to be all over the place. Let me tell you, most of them are doing a lousy job. In fact, I'm certain that the vast majority of them are not moving all the products they are supposed to promote. They fail because of the following 5 reasons. Repeat the same content as the sales text. Have you ever found yourself on a sales page and watched the video on that page? You then glance down to the text on that page, and it's obvious that the video spokesperson is simply just reciting the stuff you're reading. The content is the same. This is a serious problem because the video sales page is supposed to connect with the visitor on a personal level. They are supposed to get across information that you cannot get from the text. Don't commit this mistake to your own video sales page. Your video spokesperson must focus primarily on sending the right reassuring emotional signals to the prospect. Their job is to build trust, not necessarily recycle the same stuff that you've already covered with your sales page text. Employ a video salesperson with limited presence. There are many video spokespersons available on freelance platforms like Fiverr. A lot of them look alike. A lot of them definitely talk alike. However, the big difference often boils down to pricing. Don't make the mistake of using the cheapest video spokesperson because that person may be cheap for a reason. You have to understand that spokespersons are supposed to connect with the prospect on a person-to-person level. They are supposed to create an intimate space of trust. They send off certain unspoken signals that get the reader to take them seriously. Unfortunately, if you just hire the first random video spokesperson you come across because they charge very little money, chances are that person would drop the ball. That person probably does not have the right presence in the context of your sales page to do a good job. Your video sales page is not going to convert your visitors. Use video with bad audio quality. Your video sales page might have the right script and feature the very best video spokesperson. Unfortunately, it would still fall flat. Why? Maybe the person is not speaking clearly enough due to bad recording equipment you used for the video. You have to understand that when a prospect is listening and watching a video spokesperson, they are trying to pick up on certain signals. They can't quite put their finger on it, but they're trying to get a total experience out of the video. This is how video spokespersons build credibility and authority. Unfortunately, this is almost never going to happen if your video has bad audio quality. Use video with bad angles. When you take the video of a person at a wrong angle, you may be emphasizing a part of their presence that might not do a good job selling the product they are marketing. This bad angle may either distract the visitor or downplay the emotional importance of the benefits your products bring to the table. Regardless of the reason, bad video angles reduce overall convincing power of a video spokesperson. It takes skill to shoot a highly effective and intimate video spokesperson footage. Make sure the video spokesperson you hire understands this and has the right experience and adequate video equipment. Fail to zoom in on the presenter's face at key points. A great speech is able to move people's hearts, not because it's packed with top-notch quality, but oftentimes because of emphasis. Practically speaking, people do not have the patience to listen to a full speech. Instead, they just want to hear certain parts that resonate the most with them, because that's what they're most interested in. If your video doesn't zoom in on the presenter's face at key points during his or her presentation, your video will fall flat. It will look, sound, and feel like the vast majority of other videos out there. In other words, it's not going to make much of an impact. Keep the top 5 warnings above in mind when getting your own video sales page done. You have to make sure when you get your video done that it does the job you want it to do. Don't look at it as just one checklist item. Don't look at it as just another video to make your sales page look more presentable. If that is your thinking, chances are your video sales page is going to fall flat on its face.